Yo, what's going on, people? Today I'm back with Ozzy.
What's good?
And we're going to a place called Dawlish, just on the train real quick, and we're going for a nighttime music video shoot. This is part 2 of a 3-part shoot that I'm doing with a dude, a rapper from Dawlish. And we tried to do a snow shoot, but my phone died and it didn't go too well, but I got a couple clips, I'll roll that now. I can't even believe it. It has never been this snowy, ever. Look at the street. I'm going to the train station right now to meet this dude, pick him up, and then we're gonna go to the first location. We're trying to get the zoot rolled in the snow. It's really not going down too well, man. You can see his back is covered in ice. We got a nice snowy forest. This is definitely shoot number 1. We are gonna catch the train and basically do this music video.
Intro of the video, right here, bang.
Trained up. What's up, buddy?
What's up, bro? How's it going?
Alright, we just touched down at Dawlish, and now I just gotta call the guy, pretty much wait it out, and we're gonna link up, go. We got some cars coming through, and we're pretty much gonna set up the cars, have my man in front of the cars walking around and shit, and assuming he doesn't turn up in some trash cars, this is gonna be pretty dope.
What up, bro? What's going?
Pull it up. So it's like up on an angle like that. Time to come to you. Come to me. Yeah? Come to me, go to an angle like that. Like that or like that?
That's like, good. Nah. Like an angle, like opposite. Like opposite.
Come forward. Come that way. Like opposite. Like
7 or 8. You got me business in a boy. He's stoned as well. He's stoned now.
Fetch mine forward a bit, yeah?
Yeah. Just take yours forward a bit.
Yeah, man. Yes.
Posted up at the curry spot, waiting for our train, which is gonna take like 3 times as long, because we have to just stop at a place for like 50 minutes, because it's the last train at night. Fuck.
It's good, bro. It's one of those times where like you just gotta resort to anywhere that's open.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, I know we did.
Yeah.
That's like 5 hours ago.
Yeah.
I finished my vegetable samosas. Now I'm eating my poppadom. We're at the second train station now. We're only a 10-minute train away from our town, but
So close,
it doesn't. Yeah, yeah, exactly. It doesn't come for 40 minutes. So snacking up. I'm gonna get some more Buenos and Twix from the machine.
You never know when it's gonna snow again.
Yeah, it was snowing like mad, obviously, like you saw earlier in the vlog from those other clips. And I'm just tired as fuck now, to be honest. We just gotta wait for the train. Fuck yes! It came early. Man, it's like fucking 10 to midnight, man. You have no idea how happy we are. This fucking train just came early. God damn it. Yeah, we've been out here for about 5 hours, 6 hours on this shoot. Was it worth it? Slightly.
Kind of.
Kind of, slightly. Finally. Goddamn, finally.
your next station. Thank you.
Yes. Woo! Fucking thank God. I think I caught the end of that guy saying that. Thank God. Thank fucking God. Alright people, that's the end of the vlog, definitely. It was a pretty good shoot. We left at 6:30. Look at that. We still got mounds of snow here. Really dirty snow. We left at 6:30 and got back at midnight. That's fun as hell, man. We don't get snow often around here at all.
We're gonna make the most of it.
Yeah, we definitely do. But thank you guys for watching the video. I'm gonna wait for this train to go by. Hold tight. Yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out Aussie. It's 100% Aussie. And see you in the next video. Bye.